Hi, I'm Maria.
And I'm Michael.
We live in Spotsy County with our two kids, ages 8 and 6. We like to go to the beach. We like being outdoors.
And hanging out in downtown Fredericksburg.
We lived here for about 6 years. Last year, we thought we might want to move, so we were exploring the option of building a house elsewhere. And then we quickly realized that it's not a good market to do so. So then we also started exploring the idea of just renovating our current home. I think just our biggest challenges were we had a lot of unused space and the house was really dated. So we knew we wanted upgrades with the flooring. We had a dining room that was completely empty and then 2 living rooms really, so we didn't use one of the living rooms. So we decided to take 2 of the walls down. We had Forte Construction along with other construction companies come out to do like an estimate. And I really just think we got the best vibe from them.
Yeah, I mean, minus the actual quotes, we were kind of feeling out the guys who are coming and doing the the walkthrough with us and telling us, how the whole operation would go from start to finish. And we kind of felt most comfortable with Forte, and that's kind of ultimately the deciding factor for us.
So the project manager, he came out and he did just a walkthrough with us. We basically explained everything that we were looking for, and then we were provided with a quote. Once everything went through, he came back out with a designer, and they really did the layout for us. So they let us know how large of an island we could get. Once we knocked the wall down, we were able to choose cabinets and get a better idea just of what the layout was going to look like.
The biggest thing for me during this whole project is neither one of us are like interior designers. It's hard for us to truly imagine what a space can become. So for Forte to send out one of their guys to kind of help guide us through, and the crew that they do this on a regular basis. So I was able to bounce a lot of ideas off of them and ask them for their personal recommendations of how would they think this would be the best use of space. And so that was the biggest thing for us. I think for the transformation for the actual project from start to finish now is we do host a lot of things. We constantly have people over for gatherings, cookouts. Every family holiday is pretty much hosted here, so we have the most space. And now that we have it open floor concept, we can actually have people here. You feel like you're surrounded by everyone. You're not separated between rooms and all that. The layout is just so much easier now. I mean, you kind of breeze through and you can see front to back. The natural lighting all shines in now. So I think the overall vibe of the house now is a lot more, it's more efficient, it's more welcoming, it's a lot more fun, and it's easy to entertain now.
We would highly recommend Forte. The crew that they had working here was very knowledgeable. They were really thorough with everything that they did. They ended up doing a lot of custom work for us that we hadn't originally planned on with things that came up. We ended up having like plumbing that had to be moved, so they were able to sort of tackle that. I mean, everything down to like a microwave trim kit. They're able to make it fit where it doesn't necessarily fit right now, but they know what we're looking for.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.